Namaste everyone. Good morning my dear students. Welcome to online class of Social Studies organized by our South Point English Boarding School. Last week we discussed about our glorious traditions, and it has taken from Unit 2 Lesson 1, and it is related to our class 5. In last week we discussed about tradition. So let me remind you once again. Tradition is the belief that we practice in our community, in our society, or in our family, that has been passes from one generation to another generation. It can be classified into two types, and they are good traditions and bad traditions. Good tradition means traditions which are in favor of all the members of society and contribute to well-being of everyone are known as good traditions. For example, respecting elders, taking fasting in different festivals, welcoming the guest, etc. Next one, we discussed about bad traditions. Traditions which are against the well-being of people living in society are known as bad traditions. For example, drinking alcohol during festivals, playing gambling, child marriage, etc. Now let's read about bad traditions and some of the examples which are given in our chapter. So let's start from it. Among traditions, some traditions have created problems in our society. There are some traditions which hampers in the development of our society, or we can say it hampers in the development of our whole country too. Still, in remote areas, in village areas, there are some people who are uneducated, we can say, and because of that also some people are blamed of being witches and harassed. Some are discriminated on the basis of caste and are not allowed to draw water from the well. There are still lower people are nowadays also lower people caste, they are not allowed to draw water from the well by the higher caste people. This one is also comes in the discriminated on the basis of caste, which we can say it is of our comes in the bad tradition. It comes in the bad traditions. Similarly, untouchability, it has been also passed from generations to generations. Although it has been reducing, but totally it has not been reduced. Still in some remote areas, in village area, nowadays also people are suffering from this type of problems like untouchability, discriminating between son and daughter, between rich and poor, between caste. These all are practiced in our society, and these all practices are bad for our family, for our society, for our, we can say, for whole our country. Still nowadays in some villages, people believe in ghosts and evil spirits. When people get sick, they blame it on evil spirit or see it as the curse of a divine spirit. And when they get sick, they take them to the some sons like Dhami and Chakri. Or we can say they take sick people to the witch doctor instead of the doctor or hospitals. And in some cases also, in this case, some people may die also due to the lack of actually proper treatment, due to the lack of hospital and proper treatment. So we must not blindly follow such traditions. The traditions which are good for our family, which are good for our family, which are good for our society, which are good for our country, we should follow the good ones from these all traditions. And we must not blindly follow such traditions which generally harms our family, our environment, our society. We must remove such bad practices that are prevailing in our society. Traditions, good traditions has never weakened a society. Good traditions has never weakened a society or a nation. Indeed, it has strengthened nations in the hour of danger. Okay, now this much in the syllabus, and now we are going to do some exercises relating to our this topic. So for this I am erasing. Now we must do some exercises also related to this topic. Some questions I am going to write here, and so that you can do at your home. Mention any two good and bad, two good and two bad traditions practiced in your community. Okay, our first question is mention any two and two bad tradition. Just now we read about traditions. Among them we read about good tradition also and bad tradition also. So my all dear students, you can easily write this answer of this question. Two bad tradition practiced in your community. Next one is which tradition of our society needs to be reformed? List them and write the ways to reform them. Okay, next one question is which tradition of our society needs to be reformed? Obviously, good tradition must be continued in our society, in our family. We should continue it, good traditions, because it is good for our everyone. It is good for everyone. So, and the bad traditions which hampers in the development of our society, of our country, it must be eliminated, or we can say it must be stopped following it. So Which tradition of our society needs to be reformed? Reformed means sudhar. So obviously bad tradition needs to be reformed. So list them in the point. You can list them and write the way. Way means tarika. Write the ways to reform them. Okay, these two questions. Another question I am going to write. Draw a picture to show any one bad tradition practiced in your community. Also write its effects in the society. Okay. Draw a picture to show any one bad traditions practiced in your community and also write its effect in the society. What are the effects it has given to our society? Please write it. These all exercises all of you do at your home. Okay, thank you. In next week we will going to read about we will do about some previous exercises of our unit 1. Thank you.